Hello, students, welcome to the channel. And we were doing verbs finite and non finite this lesson. And in the earlier videos, students, we had seen verbs. There can be two types of verbs, sorry, finites and non-finites that we call, and there can be other two kinds that are main verbs and auxiliary verbs or the helping verbs. Okay, students. Then under the category of non-finite verbs, we had seen. Okay, first we had seen that non-finite verbs do not change according to the tenses, people, or the subject or the object of the sentence. And then under the non-finite verbs, we had seen that they can be divided into gerunds, infinitives, and participles. So students, in the earlier video we had seen what are gerunds. Gerunds are the noun forms, sorry, other nouns ending with ing that acts like a verb. And today we'll be seeing what are infinitives, or what is the speciality of infinitives. So students, over here, as you can see, they act as nouns, in adjectives, and adverbs. So infinitives are nothing but the to form of the verb. Whenever there is a verb and before that verb to is attached to it, before that verb a to is attached, the word to, that whole thing becomes like an infinitive. So the infinitive form of the example is given. The infinitive form of run is to run. The infinitive of scream is to scream. The infinitive of eat is to eat. I think it's very easy to understand. Okay, students. So we'll move to the next slide. So there is a warning given over here. So it says that to the mall and to swim. So if you notice over here also, to the mall, here also to is given, and here to swim. So if you consider, if I take the second example first, if you see swim is a verb. Students, please make sure that, please understand in depth that infinitives are the two form of the verbs. So you have to always see that after the word to, a verb is there. If a noun is there, then that thing does not, we do not call it as an infinitive. It will be either a noun, what we say, a noun phrase or something like that, but it will not be infinitive. So over here, if you see, after to, all the verbs are given. Run is a verb, scream is a verb, eat is a verb. So this is definitely an infinitive. But if you go to that example again, to the mall, okay students, it is to the mall. So mall is not a verb. Obviously, mall cannot be a verb. It is not an action word. So mall here is a noun, if you notice. And to the mall, it means you are going to the mall. It means it is acting like a preposition. So it becomes a prepositional phrase. So with any word to it, to is attached, do not consider it as an infinitive. With infinitive, it is like that after to you have the verb. Okay students, you don't have any other part of speech, you only have the verb, like here to swim. So in these two examples, if you notice that to the mall is not an infinitive, but to swim is an infinitive. Okay, so if to is followed by a noun or a pronoun, it is a prepositional phrase. We know that verbals are about verbs. Okay, so these are also called as verbals. So we'll not get confused with the names. We'll call it as infinitives only. Okay, students. Okay, so infinitives are all about verbs. Okay, not about nouns or pronouns. Okay students, so infinitives as nouns we had studied. Okay, just like gerunds, they act as subject, direct object, and predicate nominatives. Note, they do not act as subject of the preposition or indirect object. This is different. Look at the following. First, find the infinitive that is being used as a noun and then determine which role it is playing. Okay, So to err is human, to err is human, to err becomes a subject. Okay, so we hear Riff always wanted to act. So wanted is what we say a verb. To act is attached to it, so it is a direct object. Okay. So Maria's dream is to marry Tony. Okay. So infinitives also act as an adjective. Like all adjectives, infinitives acting as adjectives modify nouns or pronouns. So just like our basic or the classic what we say adjective works, adjective is always modifying the noun or the pronoun. So similarly, infinitives also that act like an adjective does nothing but modifies the noun or pronoun. The candidate is to trust Tony. So if you notice, to trust, so trust is a noun again over sorry, I'm so sorry, Tony is a noun again over here, and to trust is actually modifying the character of Tony. So to is added over here. So what is happening, that to trust is becoming an adjective acting, sorry, infinitive acting like an adjective. Note that the infinitive to trust and that is to modify, and that is to modify or describing the candidate, as I explained you, students. Students, so we'll stop here. We'll study this in detail in the next part, in the next period. Students, I want you to refer to all the videos of verbs finite and infinite, so that you come across any doubt, you can ask me by emailing me. Okay, students. So stay indoors and stay safe. Thank you, students. We'll meet in the next period.